Salamat po ng Luis sa pagsasagsipin ko. Mga po tayo lahat, mga ginagalang ng mga kasama dito sa entablado at mga minamahal namin lahat ng mga graduate students o graduates na nga po pala. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ang ganda. Kasi parang sa bayan ng Kasa, parang umaawit. Isang taot-susuri, magandang umaga. Pina, Bishop Reynaldo Evangelista, Sister Elena Berarino, ang General Superior ng of the Sisters of Mary, ang minamahal ko at namimiss po namin sa Senado, dahil salamat sa Diyos, siya naman po ang pinuno ng Department of Education, Secretary sa Andara. Si Ginoong Charlie Rufino, ang Pangulo ng FACTI. Ginoong Tomas Judian, Pangulo ng BPI Investment Management. Ang minamahal ko at kabaro at kapwa-leader kababaihan, taga-Pangulo ng CIBI at Pangulo at Chief Executive Officer ng Inquirer Group, Sandy Prieto Romualdez. Of course, kay Assistant School Division Superintendent Gregorio Cod Jr., at Dr. Marieta Opulencia, Pangulo ng Cavite Province Union of School Organization. At sa lahat pa po ng mga pinuna natin, nandito ngayong umaga sa ating piling. And most of all, beloved most of all by all of us here, to our this year's graduating class of strong and hardworking young women, isang malakas na mabuhay sa bawat isa sa inyo. Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga success ng ating mga graduates. Of course, taos-pusong salamat po to the Sisters of Mary Girls Town School for inviting me on this very special occasion. Bilang lingkod bayan na nagsusubok magsulong ng mga karapatan at kapakanan ng ating kababaihan, I always feel it an immense honor to speak with our women and girls. It goes without saying that I truly admire the work of this school, taking in some of our most vulnerable young people to give you education, skills, shelter, a peaceful environment, a loving home, and even faith. This school changes lives, and today, more lives are changing for the better. Sa ating mga graduates ngayon, I'm sure you're feeling all sorts of emotions, halong kaba at excitement. Tama ba? Okay. Siguro may halong lungkot at saya din dahil siyempre, hindi na makikita isa't isa araw-araw. Wala nang tawanan, aksalan sa classroom, wala nang kwentuhan at chikahan, wala umaga hanggang hapon. Okay. Ngayon pa man, I'm sure you also feel so much joy for having arrived at this graduation. Lalo pa at pandemic ay nag-aaral pa kayo. I have no doubt that your bonds will last a lifetime. As you embark on a new journey ahead, I hope that you carry with you the values that your school espouses: charity, love of God, compassion for others, commitment to serve our country, empowerment, a special love for Mama Mary, and hope. Allow me to also share just 3 things that you might want to remember as you go through the next stages of your lives. Una, you are not alone. Kaya please, do not carry the weight of the world alone. Ask for help when you need it. Hindi po kailan sa akin na may mga unos na kayo na pagdaanan sa buhay. At sigurado na dahil sa mga ito ay naging matatag at nagtatang kayo. But that doesn't mean that you should no longer ask for or seek help if you feel exhausted or lost or confused. There is no shame in asking for help. There is no shame in admitting that you cannot do it alone. Bilang may agda ng Mental Health Act, kasama ng SEC, dating Senator Sonny noon, I feel this is important to share with you because I hear a lot of young people who are continually struggling with mental health issues up to this day. Sana sa mga panahon na hihirapan kayo, alam niyo hindi kayo nag-iisa. I hope that if and when we feel overwhelmed, we do reach out for help. Kaibigan man siya, o kamag-anak, o teacher, o mental health professional. Help is available. Don't ever lose hope. Pangalawa, do not fear failures. Minsan, may mga plano tayo na gusto sundin, pero hindi natutupad dahil hindi tayo nagtatagumpay. For one, I had my own fair share of failures. I failed to win a Senate seat twice before finally securing one in 2016. Pwede sana hindi na ako sumubok pagkatapos kong matalo ng una, pero dahil malakas ang fighting spirit ko at hindi ako nagtatakot sa pagkabigo, nagpursige kami ng team ko. And I'm exactly where I am today precisely because of those failures. Even in our daily lives, we will experience moments of defeat now and then. May mga pagkakamali at pagkukulang tayong magagawa at magagawa sa buhay natin. But I hope these don't discourage you from moving forward. Huwag kayong matakot mabigo. Huwag din kayong matakot bumangon. Pangatlo, don't forget to give back. Kung anumang kabutihan at grasya ang natanggap ninyo sa buhay ngayon, sana ay ibalik nyo rin sa kapwa nating tao, lalo na sa kapwa nating babae. I wouldn't be the public servant I am today if it were not for the many inspiring women who took me under their wing, mentored me, and guided me in my activism, in legislation, and in many things in between. At ang kabutihan ipinamalas nila sa akin ay sinisikap kong ipamalas din sa iba. Kaya, ngayon nasa Senado na ako, I intentionally try to use my platform to also help others. Giving back only really brings out the best in us. Kapag tayo ay tumutulong sa ating kapwa, sa ating komunidad, at maging sa ating bansa, I am certain that only good things can come out of it. Dear graduates, there is so much in store for all of you. Maniwala kayo sa kakayahan ninyo magtagumpay. Maniwala kayong maaabot ninyo ang mga pangarap ninyo. Maniwala kayo sa mga sarili ninyo. Umaasa ako na makikita ko kayong muli. Sana makasama kayo sa pagtayo at paglaban para sa ating minamahal na inang bayan. Muli, congratulations, Sisters of Mary School Senior High students. Mabuhay po kayo.
Lisa, on to them.